Every child under 12 is currently on an adult social media platform, and even more are consuming content on YouTube. How sure are we that they are not getting exposed to the content they shouldn't watch? Let's accept that the times are changing. And more importantly, let's understand that the social spaces have never been bad for children, virtual or otherwise. Parents just want these spaces to be safe. And these spaces should not just create entertainment, but nurture important life skills. Demlea is world's and any child's first social learning space where they can learn important non-academic skills, practice it with their peers, and nurture it with the mentor interactions. Learning on Demlea is pretty intuitive. Children can learn different skills in short reel format on podcasting, public speaking, dance, art, craft, singing, drama, beatboxing, and so much more. And all this in super fun and engaging way. More than 7,000 learners have consumed 500,000 minutes of content on our platform. And this is only the beginning. We have just launched our Android app and we aim to onboard 100,000 users in coming 6 months. And at the same time, we want to create high quality content in more than 20 different categories. Keeping democratizing learning, Demlea, in core of our vision, we invite you to become part of this unique start, which would completely change how the learning would be imagined and delivered. If you believe that we need safe virtual social spaces for children where they can learn life skills, 21st century skills, co-curricular and extracurricular, then please come join our mission. Thank you.